All right, it's 9:01. We are on the record in the North Dakota Industrial Commission case number 30329, which is continued. On a motion of the Commission to consider amendments to the general rules and regulations for the conservation of crude oil and natural gas, codified as Title 43 in the North Dakota Administrative Code. I believe copies of the proposed rules are available, and a sign-up sheet is also on the table near the door. Please sign up if you want to present testimony or comments today. After these announcements, I will be calling on people in the order on the sign-up sheet to come up and speak. This hearing, as well as the other hearings in this case number, which were held by the Commission, are streamed live and can be listened to via the Department of Mineral Resources Oil and Gas Division website. Industrial Commission is required to adopt administrative rules in accordance with NDCC Chapter 2832. This administrative rules hearing is held pursuant to NDCC 2832-11. Purpose of this hearing is to ensure the public has an opportunity to provide their comments and submit data, views, or arguments before administrative rules are adopted. It is important to the administrative rules process that the public's comments are received and considered. If anyone believes that their ability to participate in this hearing is hampered by a disability of any kind, please let me know so that I may arrange the means for you to fully participate in this process. Please remember that this is an administrative rules hearing and not a legislative or court hearing. The purpose of this hearing is to get input from the public, especially those who have not yet had a chance to be heard concerning these rules, or those who have not or will not have an opportunity to submit written comments. This is not a question and answer session. The purpose of this hearing is not to pose questions to the Commission staff about the proposed rules, but an opportunity for the Commission staff to receive input from you. Please try not to repeat testimony of others, but rather refer to previous testimony you agree or disagree with instead. I would ask that you start your testimony by stating your name, address, and the organization you are representing, if any. To make sure we understand the comments you are providing, Commission staff may ask you questions following your testimony. I don't have a list of potential commenters, but there are a couple of individuals in the crowd this morning. Would you like to present any testimony on these proposed rules? And so when you approach the microphone, please state your name and please sign in on the record. You may proceed.
Guy Aman, Continental Resources, Dickinson, North Dakota. I'm prepared to offer comments on the proposed changes to 4302-0319.3. Continental Resources fully supports these changes. We're heavily involved in making suggestions to the Commission. We've implemented these changes through specific orders in multiple cases so far this year. We're very interested in pursuing this technology in more of a streamlined fashion from a regulatory standpoint. So Continental Resources fully supports the changes.
Staff have any comments or questions?
Guy, for the record, this Continental has previously submitted written testimony on this, I believe.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Seeing no other questions, like I said, please sign in on the record. Would anyone else like to offer public comment this morning?
Good morning. For the record, Mr. Sagsby, my name is Brady Pelton. I represent the North Dakota Petroleum Council as Vice President and General Counsel. Pleased to be in front of you today. We would like to recognize and reiterate the comments offered by Continental Resources, specifically those on the proposed amendments to Section 4302-0319.3 in the Administrative Code of North Dakota. We feel that the proposed amendments are squarely in line with Governor Burgum's goal of reducing red tape in state government and his mission of promoting innovation over regulation. And that's really what this proposal is. It's innovation. It's allowing innovation to really play out, and central to that is allowing the use of production water for the continued fracking operations throughout the horizontal basin. So we fully support the proposed amendments in that regard, and I'd be happy to offer any questions.
Staff have any questions? All right,
Thank you.
hearing none, thank you. And please sign in the register. Since we just started, I think we'll just keep the record open for a few more minutes in case anyone is late and wants to wander in. We'll probably just go off the record for now for 5 or 10 minutes and wait to see if anyone comes. All right, we're back on the record. Seeing that there are no other commenters or anyone who wants to provide in-person comments, we will close out the record in this case. So pursuant to NDCC 283212, the commission will have a written comment period during which data, views, or arguments concerning the proposed rules or feedback regarding today's testimony will be received by the commission and made a part of the rulemaking record to be considered by the commission. All comments received both today and during the written comment period will be given serious consideration by the commission regarding to the rules that are part of this rulemaking. All comments and correspondence must be submitted to the commission prior to November 27th, 2023, and will be made part of the record for this case. All comments received regarding these rules prior to today's hearings will also be made a part of the record for this proceeding. Comments received after November 27th will not be included in the record. With that, we will close the record. Thank you.